In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hootsuite's analytics like a pro using Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or just dipping your toes into analytics, these steps will help you get the most out of your data. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into Hootsuite on your Chrome browser. If you don't have an account yet, now's the perfect time to set one up. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, which is your gateway to all things social media management. Now look over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Analytics option. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic happens. Hootsuite Analytics is your home base for tracking social performance, understanding your audience, and refining your strategy based on real data. Once you're in the Analytics section, you have the option to either open an existing report or create a new one. If you have ongoing campaigns, an existing report will give you a historical view of your performance. Creating a new report allows you to tailor your analysis on the fly, perhaps focusing on a new marketing initiative or a fresh social media channel you've started exploring. As your selected report opens, you'll be greeted by an array of charts and graphs. These visual tools are your best friends in understanding key metrics such as engagement rates, reach, and click-throughs. Engagement will tell you how your audience is interacting with your posts. Think likes, comments, and shares. Reach provides insight into how many unique users have seen your content. Clicks, on the other hand, are all about understanding the direct actions taken by your audience. How many people actually clicked on your links? To make the most of your data, you can apply various filters. These filters might focus on specific dates or particular social media profiles, allowing you to hone in on the performance metrics that matter most to your campaign goals. Perhaps you're interested in seeing results from a promotional event or want to compare last month's performance with this month's. Filters make these deep dives seamless. Once you've gathered your insights, it's time to think about sharing them. Hootsuite allows you to either export the data or share it directly with your team. Exporting the report can be done in a variety of formats, often as a PDF or Excel file, which is perfect for archiving or presenting. Alternatively, sharing insights within Hootsuite's integrated platforms helps keep your team in the loop and fosters collaboration. With all these steps, you are now equipped to analyze and optimize your social strategies effectively. Dive into your reports and start making data-driven decisions today. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see how you apply these tips to supercharge your social media strategy.